Hi, let's draw some fall pumpkins using Crayola Kids markers. These are water-based markers, so we can use them just like watercolors. Pumpkins are simply made of an oval and some curved lines added on both sides of the oval. You can do short or tall, thick or thin, because no two pumpkins are just alike. I'm gonna do 3 in different sizes. Now, swatch a few colors with your markers. Don't color it all in, just add a few little swoosh, swoosh, swooshes. Then you're gonna blend all your color one section at a time with a wet paintbrush. It's a less mess way to paint. And then I'm gonna add marker to the background, just like I did the pumpkin, and blend it with a wet paintbrush. Now that my pumpkin painting is dry, we can leave it just like it is, or we can add a few details with a Sharpie marker. And that's it. We hope you enjoyed this easy fall pumpkin lesson and that you'll hit that red button down there that says subscribe so you'll know when we add more videos to the fall playlist. You can also find the fall art playlist in the description below. Thanks for watching, and most importantly, forget not the Lord.